Hello children, today rest of the lines of the roadside stand will be completed. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longing in vain. Here poet means to say that he himself feels hard to tolerate the thought of poor people, of village people who has the desire like a child that goes in vain. And what is the desire of the poor people of village? The desire of the poor people of village is to get the money from the city people. On their this desire, poet could hardly bear, a poet could hardly tolerate. The sadness that lurks near the open window, there that waits all day in almost open prayer. Here poet also feels the sadness that lies near the open window of the shop where the poor people wait all day in almost open prayer. Means they pray to God so that any passers-by may wait there to buy their goods and so that they could get some money. For the squeal of brakes, their prayer is for the squeal of brake, for the sound of brakes, the sound of stopping car, of all the thousand selfish cars that pass. Seeing so many cars passing on that road, these poor people pray to God so that among those thousands selfish car, at least one or two may stop there. Just one to inquire what a farmer's prices are. It is their desire that at least few car must stop there to inquire what a farmer's prices means, whatever goods they are offering to them, to these passers-by. The passers-by may stop there and inquire the prices of goods and probably may purchase it also so that they may get the money. Till this part, poet clears his own intention regarding the poor people's desire. He felt hard to tolerate about their childish desire, and he also it is very hard for him to tolerate the sadness of these poor people who wait beside the window of their shop praying to God for these passing thousand selfish cars so that they may stop there, inquire their goods and purchase so that they may get some money. But it did not happen, and one did stop, and if any car among these selfish people, if he stops there but only to plow up grass in using the yard to back and turn around. It is not like that the car don't slow down or don't stop there. Car stops there, but only to make a turn from there using their yard, using the open ground there. They used to slow down their car just to turn and drive away, and another to ask the way to where it was bound. Sometime some other car also stops, not to purchase their goods, but to ask these poor farmers regarding the road's destination, where the road goes. And another to ask could they sell it a gallon of gas. Sometimes another car also stops and they stop to ask if these farmers sell the gallon of gas. How ironical is this? Seeing that the farmers offers only the wild berries or squash or any other the local things, they don't see any gas gallon there. Even then also they ask these poor people if they sell the gallon of gas. They could not. These old people cannot sell this gallon of gas. They had none. Didn't it see? There is a internal question from poet, that didn't they see that they don't sell the gallon of gas? These are the things happening in this line. Seeing the conditions, here now poet comes to the conclusion. No in country money, the country scale of gain. The people of country don't have money for these poor people, because they have their selfish scale of gain. Simply they want gain, they want profit. The requisite lift of spirit has never been found. The desire of helping these people, the desire of providing their money to these people cannot be found in the hearts of the city, of the country people, of the rich people. Or so the wise of the country seems to complain. Or you can say this is the wise of complaint of the village people. Since these country people don't have that type of feeling which can make them to share their money with these poor people, so this is the complaint of these village people. Seeing this, what is the desire of poet? I can't help owing the great relief it would be. Poet could not stop himself thinking a method to relieve them from such a pain. And how it could be done? To put these people at one stroke out of their pain. Poet was forced to think there is only one manner in which the pain of these poor people can be removed, and that can be done by one stroke. Means poet has a desire that in one stroke these all poor people must be killed, and when they will become lifeless, their pain will be ultimately ended. And what does he desire for himself? And then next day, as I come back into the Seine means sense, because these types of lines, these types of desires can be thought when a person is senseless. That's why he says, and then next day as I come back into my sense. Next day when he himself come into the sense, I wonder how I should like you to come to me. He is offering all the people, the rich people, to come to him. I wonder how I should like you to come to me. He is offering to all those people to come to him and offer to put me gently out of my pain. He would offer himself in the hands of the rich people so that they can also use the same method on him and put his pain gently, put him gently out of his pain, which he also feels, which he also experience as these poor people experience. So I think that you have understood entire poetry. Now here the poetry ends. I hope so you all have understood. Have a nice day.